Welcome children. I hope you are all doing good. Have you studied your previous lesson children? I hope you are all studying. Let us recall what we studied in our previous sessions. We studied about the chief kingdoms of Cheras, Cholas, Pandyas and Pallavas. What were the three kings called as? Yes, very good. These three kings, Cheras, Cholas and Pandyas, are called as three crowned kings. In Tamil, we know them as Movendagal. I hope you are all studied children. Today, our session is about feudal lords. Today, we discussed about the feudal lords. Who are our feudal lords? Apart from the great dynasties, there were feudal lords who ruled over smaller regions, smaller lands. Feudal lords are who ruled over smaller lands. Okay. Now, feudal lords are also called as Kurunila Mannagal. Feudal lords are also called as Kurunila Mannagal. Feudal lords are also called as Kuru Nilar Mannagal. Kuru Nilar Mannagal. Once again I repeat for you children. Feudal lords are also called as Kuru Nilar Mannagal. Kuru Nilar Mannagal. The seven prominent kings among them are the seven prominent kings. Among them are what's the meaning for prominent children? What's the meaning for prominent? Get your dictionary, find out the meaning. Yes, what meaning for prominent is important or famous. Important or famous. So, the seven famous kings, the seven prominent kings among them are, I write down here. First one is Adiyaman. Kari, Ori, Adiyaman, Kari, Ori, Nalli. Are you with me children? Are you listen me? Nalli, Pari and Pagan. Once again I say Adiyaman, Kari, Ori, Nalli, Pari and Pagan. These seven kings are called as Kadai Elu Vallargal. These seven kings are known as Kadai Elu Vallargal. The Kadai Elu Vallargal are Adiyaman, Kari, Ori, Nalli, Pari and Pagan. These seven kings are known for their compassion and generosity. They are known gooseberry to the poetess Avai. Adiyaman gave gooseberry to the poetess Avai. What is the fruit of gooseberry? In Tamil we know them well as Nellikkai. I who received glowing clothing gave to Lord Shiva. Adiyaman, I who received glowing clothing gave to Lord Shiva. Next one is Kari. Kari gave his horse and kingdom to Iravalas, a tribe. Okay, now Ori gave his kingdom to the artist of Kollimalai. Next one is Nalli. Nalli helped the people who came to him without revealing his identity. Next, Pari gave his chariot to a jasmine creeper. Last one is Began. Gave shawl to a peacock. Now you will understand, children, why we called these 7 kings as Kadayelu Vallalgal. Once again I repeat it. Adiyaman gave gooseberry to the poetess Avai. All who received glowing clothing gave to Lord Shiva. Kari gave his horse and kingdom to Iravalas, a tribe. Ori gave his kingdom to the artist of Kollimalai. Nalli helped the people who came him in the forest without revealing his identity. Pari gave his chariot to a jasmine creeper. Began gave shawl to a peacock. There, the 7 kings are known for their compassion and generosity. Already I told the meaning for compassion. It is a pity for someone who need help. Generosity, a willingness to Nalli, Pari and Vegan. What's the meaning for revealing? Revealing means do not show what do not show. Okay. Now once again I repeat, children. Shall we? What's our today's topic? What's our today's topic? Yes, feudal lords. Feudal lords are who ruled over smaller lands. Who ruled over smaller lands. Feudal lords are also called as Kurunila Mannargal. Feudal lords are also called as Kurunila Mannargal. The seven prominent kings among them are. The seven prominent kings among them are Adiyaman, Ay, Kari, Ori, Nalli, Pari and Vegan. These seven kings are known as Kadai Vallagal. These seven kings are known as Kadai Vallagal. For why they called us Kadai Vallagal? Because of their compassion and generosity. Okay children, I hope you are all understand. Write down in your notebook and study about these kings. In our next class, we go to the next topic. I hope you are all write down. Thank you children.